Are you ready to go back in time? I'm gonna choose a look from this Kevyn Aucoin book and try to recreate it. Try. I make no promises. We're gonna go for the innocent. Let's read what it says. At the turn of the century, rouge and lipstick were the emblems of ladies of the night and roadshow actresses, both seen at the time as women of ill repute. Virtuous females, however, may have affected a rosy glow, but never of the intensity of their sullied sisters. The aptly named The Innocent transcends this shameless moralizing with timeless modern-day Botticelli-esque beauty. The faraway dreaminess is played up with soft, slightly shimmery, shimmery, you know I love that, makeup, and looks as though she has just stepped out of a beautiful oil painting. There are no definite lines, not even on the lips, just creamy accentuation. Let's do it. Okay, let's get started. Normally I underpaint, but I'm just gonna follow these directions. I chose The Innocent specifically because it looked like it was one of the easier applications. Step 1 is lightly groom the brows if needed. Step 3 is apply shimmery liquid foundation all over the face to give it a glow. This will naturally highlight parts of the face. What do we all do now, today in 2023? And Kevyn was telling us to do this back in the 80s and 90s. He also talks a lot about using your fingers or a sponge because it blends in better and into your face. And I'm wondering, because I prefer doing this with my hands even than a sponge. And I'm wondering if that's something that maybe stuck in my head all those years ago when I first read the book. The next step is blush, and he says dot some pink cream blush on the apples of your cheeks, your temples, and your chin. I'm using Thrive Cosmetics in the shade Matte. Conventional wisdom today says do not do it on the apples of your cheeks. But honestly, I've got a long face, so shape-wise, the apples are really better for me anyway. Then he says to actually blend with your fingertips. See, again, fingers. Apply white iridescent cream shadow to the entire eye area with the fingertip. So I don't have a white iridescent. I do have this very light pink Jill Stewart one, so I'm gonna use that. And with your fingers, he said put it all over the eye. So I'm gonna put it up here by the brow bone. Next step, outline lips with flesh-toned lip pencil and then blend with a cotton swab. This is pathetic. I no longer can put on my lip liner without glasses. Now you take a cotton swab, and he said to blend. Normally I would do it with a brush, that's why, but I want to hold as close to the original directions as possible for this time. Then the final step, you take some clear gloss on your finger, put it on your bottom lip, and then smack. Okay, here's the finished look. What do you guys think? Really wanted to follow it exactly like Kevyn had it, and then I can tweak it from there.